Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Irunmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you.
To explore full Yoruba stories, IFA teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information.
Marriage of Òrúnmìlà with Ajiwenu. Adin obere munkan eshwan, wan wakiri, odifa fun Òrúnmìlà, nijoton fi Ajiwenu saja. That was the name of the awo who cast Ifa for Òrúnmìlà when he wanted to win the love of a young woman named Ajiwenu. Previously, several suitors had approached her, but she refused to marry any of them. Òrúnmìlà took this as a challenge and went for a divination to know what he needed to do to win her heart. He was told to offer sacrifice, which he performed. Then he began to visit her occasionally, greeting her in this poetic way. Omo eja wafun eja, omo eku wafun eku, omo eye wafun eye, omo ejo wafun ejo. Omo eran wafun eran. Beni okunrin wafun obinrin. Eyitin se ofinile aye. Timosipani ashewipe iwo Ajiwenu. Yo wafun emigegebi iyawo. Which means, the child of a fish goes to the fish. The child of a rat goes to the rat. The child of a bird goes to the bird. The child of a reptile goes to the reptile. The child of a goat goes to the goat. So too, a man goes to a woman. This is the law of the world. By this authority I now decree that you, Ajiwenu, shall be my wife. Upon hearing this, she embraced Òrúnmìlà and agreed to become his wife. Ifa teaching. Therefore, when this Odu appears in divination for a man who is trying to win over a stubborn woman, he must make the required sacrifice and use this charming incantation to respectfully request her hand in marriage.